y'all? It's your girl Tuff Fam Mommy, and I'm back with what? Another video. Period. So today, you guys, I know it's been a long time. I'm gonna do an update video coming up soon, but in today's video, I am doing a Easter edition. Me and my daughter, we're gonna have a Easter tea party, and I'm gonna show you what I will be cooking today and the table setup. So let's get started. So I'm making a filling for these croissants, and I'm gonna make them look like little carrots with the parsley sticking out of it. I have Hawaiian rolls that I'll be using this white American cheese. It's gonna be, you know, like cheese toast type of situation going on. And I'm gonna be roasting a whole chicken. If they want, they can take the chicken and add it on to the cheese sandwich. And for dessert, I have a few things. I found this amazing find in the grocery store. I wasn't even looking for it, but it was in the frozen aisle. This is a Junior's cheesecake. If y'all know, okay? Especially my East Coast New York people, y'all know about Junior's cheesecake. So I'm happy I found this. And I'm gonna doctor it up with some strawberries. And I'm going to also be making a vegetable quiche. And the vegetables that I'm gonna be using is spinach, some baby spinach, some peppers, onions, and some turkey bacon. And I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. I have some cupcakes for dessert, and I also have these little birthday cakes. Let me show you. So this is the birthday cake, and this is the Easter cupcakes. I thought this was so cute, you guys. This was at my local grocery store. So cute. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to put the chicken into my air fryer. It's all seasoned up and ready to go. And this is how it looks. Seasoned to perfection, baby. Period. Pop that in there for 30 minutes on 400. So let that cook, and now on to the quiche. Okay, so now we are doing the quiche. I got everything prepared. What I did was I sauteed the peppers, and I added a little salt, pepper, a little bit of butter, and some minced garlic. So that's going inside the quiche. And I also cooked the turkey bacon and just chopped it up. So we're about to dump everything into the pie shell and put that baby in the oven, okay? Let's get started. Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Now I'm making the filling for the croissants, and I'm adding my own little twist to it. So here's the cream cheese. It's 1 package of cream cheese. And then I'm gonna add some jalapeno peppers. That's something that I haven't seen anybody else do. And then I'm adding green onions. And I'm gonna top it off with some salt, some black pepper, and I like a lot of pepper, but I didn't put too much in there because of the jalapenos. And then I'm gonna add some of this liquid sugar, raw sugar, because I want it to be like a sweet and spicy filling. So add some of that, and that's about how much I use. not too much, but I'm gonna, when I mix it all up, I'm gonna taste it and see what needs to be added, okay? I'm going to do these croissant fillings. I have to change the idea now a little bit because I thought I had aluminum foil, but I don't. So the show must go on and we gotta just roll with the punches, okay? What I'm doing is I am pinching the dough together like this.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me?
I put some sugar, I cut some strawberries up, put some sugar and a little bit of cinnamon on the strawberries because that's how we like it, okay? And now I'm about to top the cheesecake off with the strawberries and some whipped cream. And then I'm gonna set up a little charcuterie board and put some grapes and the cake and stuff on there, you know. Put a little razzle dazzle on there.
Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see